Australia offers incredible career opportunities for dentists worldwide, but getting a dentist job in Australia isn't just about booking a flight. It's a journey that starts with the Australian Dental Council or the ADC exam. And in this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to become a registered dentist in Australia. Hi, I am Priyanka Sharma from Academically. If you are an overseas dentist dreaming of a career in Australia, you have come to the right place. Today, we'll break down the step-by-step process of getting a dentist job in Australia, starting with the most important step, that is the ADC exam. So, what exactly is the ADC exam? The ADC or the Australian Dental Council exam is the first hurdle you need to clear to work as a dentist in Australia. It's a two-part exam, both with written and practical components, designed to ensure whether you are ready to meet Australia's high dental care standards or not. But the good news though, you don't need to travel to Australia for the written exam. You can give the exam from your home country. It's available in various cities in India and across the globe, but for the practical exam, you'll need to come to Australia. Once you pass both these exams, you can apply for the registration with the Dental Board of Australia and start your journey as a dentist in Australia. Now, let's talk about who is eligible for the ADC exam. So, to even sit for this exam, you need to apply initial assessment. This assessment checks your qualifications, registration history, and ensure whether you are in a good standing or not. And here's what you need to qualify. So number one is a 4-year full-time university dental degree or diploma from a recognized institution. Secondly, full and unrestricted registration in your home country or the country of your training. There should be no history of your registration being withdrawn or suspended. And work experience isn't mandatory, but it can definitely set you apart in the process of ADC. Now let's dive into the 4 key steps to becoming a registered dentist in Australia. So step 1, the ADC initial assessment. This is where the Australian Dental Council reviews your educational background, registration history, and other professional details. You'll need to create an ADC Connect account to get started with this. Now step number 2, the written examination. This part tests how well you know dental science, make clinical decisions, and think through problems, specifically for working in Australia. And step number 3 is the English proficiency. Since you will be working in an English-speaking country, passing an English proficiency tests like IELTS, PTE, or OET is essential for both registration and visa processes. Check out Academically's specialized English proficiency language courses to make your journey of becoming a registered dentist in Australia even smoother. Now, finally, step number 4, the ADC practical examination. This hands-on test is conducted over 2 days in Australia. Day 1 assesses your technical skills and day 2 focuses on your clinical skills. And there you have it. The path to becoming a dentist in Australia is challenging, but with the right preparation and dedication, you can achieve your dream and become a registered dental professional in Australia. Academically offers specialized courses to help you pass the Australian Dental Council ADC exam in your first attempt. Our focused online classes, comprehensive study materials, and AI-driven practice tests are tailored for overseas dentists preparing to migrate to Australia and start their dental career there. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And also check out the link in the description for all our ADC courses. Let's make your Australian dream a reality.